Hello everyone, this is Joshua Manlin, Visual Information Specialist with OAS. Today we're going to be covering how to register for a course either online or in classroom using the new IAT website. So first of all, we're going to be using the Chrome browser for the purposes of this video, and I highly recommend that you do so as well. This video assumes that you already know the course that you need to take, you know what you need in order to be in compliance. In future videos, you can find out how to verify your compliance, both for yourself and for people who might be working under you. The first step we're going to take is to log in to the website, which is up in the top right-hand corner right here. And you can also sign up for the website here, but for the purposes of this course, we're going to assume you already have an IAT account. So we'll log in. You're going to click Agree, and now you're going to put in your pre-established username. And the first thing that's going to come up on your screen is this overview of your student home base. If you ever need to get back to this page because you've navigated somewhere else, you can always click on the Home button there. And this is just going to show you courses that you're registered for, but we want to register for a course for the purposes of this video. So the first thing we're going to do is click on Find a Course. Now there's a couple methods with which you can find a course you're looking for. If you know the course code, say for example A100, we can use this drop-down menu, and this goes just from biggest number to smallest number. You can also search by the course name. So, if we're looking for a basic aviation safety course, we can scroll down here with the drop-down menu. There it is, basic aviation safety. We can find it that way. Or we can type in a key phrase. And while we're doing this, to help you with your search, you can click on some of these checkboxes over here to sort of limit your results. So if I only want residential classroom results, for example, I can click on that check mark. Vice versa, if I only want online courses, I can click on that check mark. Same for video conferencing, same for webinar. This allows you to limit what your results show up as. So if you need something specific, you can limit it to those results. So basic aviation safety, and click the search function. And that's going to bring up these results here. So you can see this is the revised Basic Aviation B3 curriculum, something that pretty much any aviation personnel are going to have to take at some point. And if we want to see course offerings on that, we can click on this link here. And as you can see, there's a few offerings available. So for the first one, we're going to register for an online course. Over on the left side of this matrix, you can see the delivery method. In the center, we have the start time. And then the location. Of course, if something's online, it's going to just give you the website. If they're teaching the class in person, you'll get more information about where that's taking place. For this online class, which is what we want to do first of all, we're going to click Register. And this dialog box is going to pop up telling us that yes, you have successfully registered for the course. Hit OK. And now, since this is an online course, once I've registered, I can immediately go to that course without having to do anything else from the home base. Click Go to Course, and voila, here I am in the A100 Basic Aviation Safety course. And I'm going to click on my Home button to take me back to the home screen. Once again, find a course. We're going to go ahead and, why not, search for a course this time with the course name function. And this time we're going to look for a course that is not available online. We're going to look for Water Ditching and Survival, which is a class you have to take in person. For the fun of it, we're going to click on Residential Classroom, even though Water Ditching and Survival only has a residential classroom offering. And there you go, we get the one type of course offering here. And we can click on either of these links to bring up the available courses. We've got one scheduled in the OAS Anchorage area. That's going to happen in December. And we have another in February, location to be determined. So we're going to do a residential classroom section. Go ahead and click on the Anchorage offering. Again, dialog pops up that I am successfully registered for the course. Click OK. Now I have the option to withdraw from this course, or I can click on my home base. That brings up my overview again, and sure enough, Water Ditching and Survival is listed in my scheduled courses. And so you should be getting an email from the website that tells you that yes, you are registered for this course on 12/11/2014. So thank you for spending some time with me today. That should clarify how to find a course either online or in the classroom or via webinar or any other method that you'd prefer to remain in compliance and learn the things you need to do to remain safe as you're performing your aviation operations. Stay tuned for more videos on how to navigate the interagency training website. And remember, everyone plays a part in aviation safety.